Check out this 2013 Ford Edsel. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: floor mats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, keyless entry, child safety locks, passenger airbag sensor, passenger airbag, and passenger vanity mirror. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.